I hope you're doing well. Have you looked out your windows today? It is beautiful outside, and we've been having a lot of beautiful days outside. So what I was thinking is, since we have already looked in our homes to see what instruments we can make out of what we have, I thought that we could go and explore nature to see what we could find. Okay, so I have an empty bottle. If you don't have one, that's okay. Whatever you have at home that you can fill with loose parts that we're going to find on our walk and on your walk, that's what you're going to use to make your instrument. I don't know if my friends remember our garden, but look at these beautiful flowers that are growing. If you listen really quietly, you might be able to hear some birds singing. Alright, so my bottle is finished. What were you guys able to find on your walk? I was able to find some rocks and some sticks, and this is what it sounds like. Alright, so now that we have a new musical instrument, we should probably use it, right? Alright, I thought we could sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. So just want to use their hands. Let's do it again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, now let's be great big spiders. Ready? The great big spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the big spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the great big spider went up the spout again. Awesome job being great big spiders. Now let's be teensy weensy spiders. Are you ready? The teensy weensy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. So the teensy weensy spider went up the spout again. Outside we could sing Mr. Sun. Are you ready? Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Guys, I was sitting in the grass and I saw a bumblebee. Do you want to see? I'm bringing home my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home my baby bumblebee. Oh, bye bumblebee. Great Ray friends, thank you so much for coming on this adventure with me today and making a musical instrument with me. I had so much fun going on this walk and singing with you. I really encourage you to go outside, enjoy the sunshine. It's beautiful out. See you next time.